manual unloading of containers is both labor-intensive and time-consuming. Integrating automation into that process can make life more efficient for logistics companies and the ones doing the lifting.
We decided to try the container unloader at this site because it's a very labour-intensive part of the operation, and we wanted something that offered us a more flexible, efficient solution, as well as looking at the well-being of our staff.
The container unloader has proved to be a very positive addition to our tools. The actual product, once you start and use it, is probably exceeding the expectations that we had of it.
The innovation being tested at Guiren is the container unloader that Swedish lifting equipment provider Tawi has developed to improve productivity in the unloading process. The container unloader is light, flexible, and modular,